Hi everyone. This walkthrough covers the project validation, project details page. The goal is simple. Capture the key requirements clearly, so robot selection, integration planning, and project support are correct from the beginning. The most important section is the basic information required table. If that table is incomplete or unrealistic, the project usually runs into problems later during layout, integration, or commissioning. Start with customer details. Company. Use the legal company name for correct tracking. Plant or address. Specify the exact installation site, because many customers have multiple plants. Industry. Choose the closest industry type, because it affects assumptions about environment and precision. Contact person. List the technical owner who can confirm process details. Email and phone. Include fast contact channels to reduce clarification delays. Technical level defines expected support scope. Level 3 means minimal support needed. Level 2 means minor technical support. Level 1 means major support for setup and programming. Level 0 means training and full support. Next is inquiry received information. Date and project number are for tracking. Project name should be short and unique. Expected deployment date is the target go-live date or month. Deploy location should be the exact station or area. Salesperson and technical person define ownership and follow-up responsibility. Now Jaka product selection. Robot model and quantity. Enter the intended model and number of units, even if it's a best estimate at this stage. Reason for using these models. Keep it technical. Payload including tool plus part with margin, reach from mounting position to all points, takt time requirement, and any environment constraints like dust, oil mist, humidity, temperature, or clean room needs. Remote stick model. Select the teaching or remote teaching pendant option required. Additional parts. List anything needed to complete delivery, such as cables, brackets, mounting plates, or accessories required by the cell. Next is common information. Issue informer is who initiated the request. Integrator is the system integrator company name, or none. End user is who operates the cell daily. Internal is your internal owner or team. Now robot application examples. This is reference, but it helps you choose the correct application type. Choose the application that matches the main job and the main risk. Pick and place means moving parts from point A to point B repeatedly, like tray to fixture or conveyor to bin. The key requirements are part stability, gripping method, and cycle time. Palletizing means stacking boxes or products onto a pallet in layers and patterns. The key requirements are box size and weight, stacking pattern, pallet height, and throughput per hour. Machine tending means loading and unloading a machine such as CNC, press, molding, or a test station. The key requirements are door signals, cycle start signals, safe waiting logic, and the place where finished parts go. Screw driving means tightening screws with OK or NG verification, usually by torque or angle. The key requirements are screw count, alignment risk, verification method, and the retry or reject rule. Dispensing or gluing means applying material as dots or beads along a path, such as sealant, adhesive, silicone, or grease. The key requirements are stable speed, nozzle distance, material control, and acceptance criteria for bead quality. Inspection or sorting means checking parts with sensors or vision and then separating OK and NG parts. The key requirements are the OK or NG decision standard, lighting stability, and reject handling. If you're not sure which one to choose, pick the application that drives the most constraints. For example, if the process depends on machine cycle signals, choose machine tending even if the robot also performs pick and place. Robot application and reason should be one clear sentence. What the robot does and why automation is needed. Example, the cobot picks parts from a tray and places them into a fixture to stabilize takt time and reduce manual handling. Production line requirements details should describe the key constraints. Takt time target, number of SKUs, part variation or orientation randomness, part presentation method, operator interaction, and any quality constraints that cannot change. Now the basic information required table. This is the core of validation. Business and timing. ROI is the payback target in years, including assumptions if not confirmed. Lead time is the expected delivery plus installation schedule. Cycle time is typical and worst case seconds per cycle. Number of parts or SKUs is how many variants the robot must handle. If cycle time and SKUs are wrong, robot selection and the whole concept can be wrong. Support scope. Training, simulation, teaching support, programming support. Each item must include yes or no, and the responsible owner. Missing ownership is one of the most common reasons projects stall. Feasibility confirmation. Payload confirmed means tool weight plus part weight plus safety margin. Working radius confirmed means the robot can reach every required point, including approach and clearance. End effector design and brand means the tool concept is defined, and brand or model is listed if known. Feeding mechanism means how parts are presented: tray, conveyor, bin, bowl feeder, or manual. And this strongly affects stability and success. Integration and environment. PLC or IPC and control device clarify the master controller, robot, PLC, or PC, and who programs it. Protocols and SDK language specify communication needs. SDK language is only needed if PC integration is used. Vision and system integration clarify ownership and what must connect. Environment lists dust, oil mist, humidity, temperature, clean room needs, and IP requirement. Expected accuracy, picking stability, and tracking define tolerance targets, part stability, and encoder model if tracking is required. Safety certifications and specified brands list required standards and any customer-mandated components. Warranty period and additional information capture warranty start point and potential blockers like samples, fixtures, shutdown windows, or trials.